So this question, we need to write it out in terms of the algebra rather than in words. So the cost of a newspaper is P and the magazine is M. And we know that the total cost of 3 newspapers, so therefore 3p, paper, plus 5 magazines is equal to $13.30. We also know that the cost of 1 newspaper and 7 magazines is equal to $15.90. And we have a simultaneous equation here. The problem is we can't add or subtract to eliminate because they're not the same value. So you could use substitution, or you can use elimination by multiplying this one by 3, so that you've got the 3p and the 3p to eliminate. So that's the way that I'm going to do it. So I'm going to times this one by 3. So that's going to give me 3p plus 21 magazines is equal to 47.70. And then I'm just going to rewrite the top one just so that I can do this subtraction. Okay, so we can now subtract these two equations. So I've got equations 1 and 2 if you like. So if I subtract them, I'm actually going to do 2 minus 1 just to keep them positive. So 3p minus 3p, and then 21 minus 5. So that's going to give me 16. And 47.70 minus 13.30 gives me 34.40. So I can divide by 16, and then I find out that a magazine is going to cost me $2.15. $2.15. So you can just type that one in. So we now know the cost of the magazine, $2.15. We can now find the cost of the newspaper by substituting it into any value. Now I'm actually going to use this one here to substitute it into. So P plus 7 times 215 is equal to $15.90. And then that gives me that P is equal to 0.85. So again, just typing that in on the calculator. And you could check your value to this. You could substitute it in and double check. So we could check it in that first equation, equation 1. So 3 times 0.85 plus 5 lots of the cost of the magazine, $2.15, should give me $13.30, and we can type that in and check that it's correct.